How to fix TikTok monetization not available. So hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix TikTok monetization not available. If TikTok monetization is unavailable, it is usually because you haven't met the baseline eligibility threshold such as 10,000 followers or you live in an unsupported region. So what you can do is first make sure that you have a personal creator account. Now if you meet all the criteria, what you can do is clear the app cache. Just open your TikTok app, then tap your profile at the bottom right, and then tap the three-line menu at the top right corner. Then go to settings and privacy. Now scroll all the way down to clear to cache and cellular section, and then tap free up space. Now tap clear next to the cache, and then tap clear again. Now the next thing what you can do is update the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and then find TikTok. And if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.